Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you that how you can uninstall and install apps on your Shopify store. So without any delay, let's start. So first of all, we will learn how we can install apps. To install a Shopify app, you can click on this apps, and here you can see it is selected apps, and here you can search for a specific app. So suppose I will search for Kikify Smart Menu, and when you will press enter, it will take you to the Shopify App Store. You can see that new tab is opened, and this is basically Shopify App Store, and here are the available apps against my query. Now from these available apps you can select your desired app. So suppose if I select this one, I can select. There are different type of apps, the one that have free apps and other that are paid, and some apps provide you free access to their limited resources, and then if you want to advance, you have to pay for the apps. So suppose if I want to select this Kikify Smart Menu, they have free plan available, so I will select this, and after this you will see this window. From here you can click on this install button. Because Shopify store is open on the same tab, that's why it will directly install this app on my Shopify store from which I have login in this current browser. And here you can again see that click on this button to install the application, and before installing the app you can read here that which permission it want to allow you, I mean which permission you have to allow this app, so this app can access that specific information from your store. And from here I will click on this install app button. It will take a little bit time. So currently this app is installed successfully on my Shopify store. If you want to check, you can directly click on apps, and here you can see that this app has been installed successfully. And now if you want to see all apps, you can click on this option, app and sales channel setting, and here you can see that you can see the available and installed app on your Shopify store. So if I want to uninstall this app, you will see a button here, uninstall. Just click on this button, and here it will ask you for a reason that why you are uninstalling this app. You can select any of them, and you can also provide your feedback. This is optional, you can leave it as it is. And next you just have to click on this red button to uninstall this app. So you can see that friends, the app is uninstalled successfully. So friends, by doing this technique you can install and uninstall apps from your Shopify store. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.